I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your BMW 3 Series engine oil using the easy electronic method. Before we begin, make sure your engine has reached its normal operating temperature, which is crucial for an accurate reading. Also, always park your car on a perfectly level surface. This simple preparation ensures the electronic sensor can give you the most precise oil level measurement possible, making the process straightforward and reliable. Now let's dive into the iDrive system. First, use your iDrive controller to navigate to the Vehicle Info menu on your display screen. From there, you'll want to select Vehicle Status, which opens up a range of diagnostic options for your BMW. Finally, simply choose Engine Oil Level to begin the automatic measurement. It's a very intuitive process, designed for quick and easy access. Once you've selected Engine Oil Level, the system will display a message indicating that the measurement is currently in progress. You'll notice a small animation or text confirming this. This automatic check usually takes approximately 2 minutes to complete, so be patient. After the measurement is finished, the display will clearly show your current engine oil level and advise you if any action, such as adding oil, is required. After the measurement, if you see an OK message, your oil level is perfect and within the optimal operating range. If the system indicates a low level, add oil in small, controlled increments, perhaps 1/4 or 1/2 of a liter at a time. It's crucial to recheck the level after each addition to prevent overfilling, which can cause engine damage. Always use the correct oil type specified for your BMW 3 Series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.